Hi Kim, my name's Christian Renna. I'm with RenGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you guys some free tips and tricks you can use to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow and Trulia and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So I do have your Facebook page pulled up here because it does not look like you have your own website. And so I see you are putting in, some work as far as advertising and trying to get your name out there with, Mesa, Arizona and the market out there. But a website can actually do that for you as well. So for the purposes of this video, I used HomeSmart's website because it looks like that's the brokerage you're from. It doesn't look like they gave you any your own specific name on a HomeSmart site. But either way, that's what we're going to do. Three things we're going to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. So homesmart.com. I'm not sure if these guys are bringing you in leads or if it's just a brokerage and you still got to find your own leads. Either way, there's a lot of things wrong with the website. So we're going to go over those. The three things we're going to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. The first is content. Google loves content. The more you have, the better. But content isn't just the words on your website. So if you ever decide to get your own website, you're going to want to have 1,500 words minimum on any page that you're trying to rank. So this is their buyer's page here. And as you can see, it's very short. So, 6 steps to buying your home, and it's very short, right? And so that's probably why no one's finding this website anywhere. When somebody types in, home buyers, they're not finding this website. There's no content. There's 150 words. When you build your website, you're going to want to have 1,500 words minimum. Also, how your photos are saved. So a lot of times when we add photos, the computer creates its own name file, and usually it consists of letters and numbers. So that's no good. You're going to want to make sure that all your photos on your website are saved as buyer intent keywords. Obviously, this page doesn't really have many photos. There's a header here, but just remember, content is not just the words on your website. It's also the pictures and what's behind the pictures and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. So as far as your website goes, I'm not sure how much value this one's bringing you. We're only using it for the purposes of this video, but you want to have 1,500 words minimum, and you want to have all your photos saved properly. Next, citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. And those directories include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp. All those are going to give you citations. That's how you get to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Mesa, Arizona Realtors. Okay, we got East Mesa Realtor, we got Gene Fry, and we got Berkshire Hathaway. Okay, and then moving down further, like I was saying, is that HomeLight, is that what it is? HomeLight. These guys, HomeSmart, they're not here. They're not here anywhere. So, but as you can see, this one right here, Homes with Gene, which is, I believe, Gene Fry, she's on the first page. So she's pulling up, okay? And so you can go over her website and kind of, do that. But as you can see, she's got more content and she's doing things a little differently. But her website is pulling up on the first page. And then I also wanted to point out too, as well, because if you're thinking, oh, well, these are all brokerages and I'm not a brokerage. Well, there are realtors on here. So you got James Wexler, real estate agent. He's on here. We have the Kloss team. We got Mesa Gilbert. Call Kim, AZ Real Estate. Shelley Joyner. So there are realtors that are ranking in this map pack. And so I don't believe you had a Google My Business page. So I didn't find it, but I would highly suggest getting a Google My Business page. And then when you have your Google My Business page, you want to make sure to get photos uploaded. So you want to have 10 photos, and you also want to have minimum 20 reviews. And so as you can see, Gene Fry, she's got 23 reviews, 5-star. She's got the photos. So this is kind of what a basic Google My Business page would look like. And I'm sure this is bringing her in some dough. So just keep that in mind. I would highly suggest getting a Google My Business page. 10 photos, adding 10 photos to your Google My Business page. Make sure those photos are saved the right way. And then obviously getting your own website. The last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. So this is actually not the best example, but I'm using it because it's your brokerage. So HomeSmart. So I used HomeSmart. What a backlink is anywhere on the web that your domain is at. So if you had one for yourself, you'd have your own domain and you want to put backlinks to it. So as you can see, HomeSmart has 145,000 backlinks with 1,000 referring domains, and they're ranking for, well, not ranking for 15,000 keywords. So long story short, forget about that. When you get your own website, you're going to want backlinks. The proof is in the pudding. With 145,000 backlinks, wouldn't you think that they would pull up first when somebody typed in homes in Mesa, Arizona? Homes near me. Wouldn't you think they'd pull up? So they're not. And the reason for that is that not all backlinks are created equal. You want your backlinks coming from sites that are not spammy and sites that are relevant to the trade. So other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into either, obviously you don't have a website, so I would suggest getting one. And hopefully you can get one for yourself, whether you choose to pay somebody or you do it yourself. And when you do, I hope that you implement these tips and tricks into that website so that it actually brings you value and in turn leads. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. And thank you very much for watching.